Imagine having complete control over your videos. Not just cutting and trimming, but reshaping every scene, adding new elements, removing distractions, or even changing the style entirely. Welcome to PixVerse and its revolutionary Modify feature, where your video is no longer fixed. It's a living canvas. PixVerse isn't just a video tool. It's a production-grade AI engine that combines ultra-fast video generation, audio-visual co-creation, and multimodal input. Text, images, or reference frames. One click, and your video starts coming to life. Imagine changing any scene in seconds. Want the grass to turn golden, the weather to shift from sunny to snow, or the workers to transform into playful characters? Just type it, and Modify makes it happen. Businesses can use this for storytelling in ads or social media campaigns. Add objects, characters, or props into your video. For consumers, add yourself into a concert, a birthday party, or your favorite movie scene. For businesses, place products in dynamic ad scenarios or presentations to instantly visualize ideas. Remove distractions, people or objects, while keeping motion and lighting intact. Consumers can turn a crowded street into a perfect solo shot. Businesses can remove unwanted elements from commercial shoots, making campaigns cleaner and more professional. Restyle transforms your video into a new visual style. Turn daytime into nighttime. Make your clips cinematic, cartoonish, or moody, all without changing the story. Businesses can quickly create variations for different marketing channels, while consumers can explore creative storytelling. Using Modify is simple. Upload your video. Choose an action, swap, type anything, add, remove, or restyle, and enter instructions. PixVerse generates instant previews with full 1080p outputs ready in about a minute. PixVerse doesn't stop at Modify. Nano helps you produce viral social media content instantly, and our templates let you craft professional videos with a few clicks. Whether it's a trending TikTok or a business promo, PixVerse makes creation fast, fun, and impactful. PixVerse Modify isn't just about editing videos. It's about imagination, creativity, and control. So, what will you create next? Dive in and start shaping your stories today.